What's up, guys, and welcome back to Mile High Customs. Today we have this Range Rover Sport right next to me, and it's going to be getting a transformation. First thing we're going to be doing is wrapping the full vehicle in a glass candy fire red. This is a really beautiful color. It has a little bit of a metallic flake in it. We are also going to be doing a gloss black hood stripe right between these two body lines, following this body line and that body line. It's going to be getting a little bit of a black and a red two-tone look. We're also going to be swapping out all the Range Rover emblems on the front and rear with some gloss black emblems. It's also getting a full blackout kit. We have a new front grille, a new front valance piece, a new rear valance piece. All the hood and fender vents are going to be going gloss black as well. We are also going to be repairing one of the wheels. This front driver wheel does have a little bit of curb rash, as you guys can see, all along the rim. So we're going to be getting that refinished, as well as getting some new Range Rover center caps. These are, as you can kind of see, kind of falling apart and kind of a little dated. So we have some new center caps on the way. We're going to be replacing all 4 of them. And then we're going to be taking off the wheels and ceramic coating both the face and the barrel, just to help with a little bit of brake dust and make sure these wheels look nice and clean. Range Rovers do come with a little bit of a factory two-tone look, with the lower half one color and the top half gloss black. So with that blackout kit, we're going to be following that two-tone look. The taillights were previously tinted. However, whoever did them just did the taillights. They forgot to do the fog lights, or the previous owner, for whatever reason, just didn't want the fog lights done. So we're going to go ahead and match them with this dark smoke on the taillights, just so that way it flows all together as well. And then this is that lower valance piece that we're talking about, that we actually bought new ones that are in gloss black instead of having to wrap those. You know, with wrap, if anything ever hits it, it can get scratched, it can get damaged, and that way you will still see the original silver showing. Since we did buy just brand new valances that are gloss black, those are going to last much longer, and they're just going to look a little bit cleaner and save us a little bit of time instead of having to wrap those. So I'm going to go ahead and let the guys start disassembling the Range Rover, and we'll go ahead and check back in with you guys here in just a little bit. So quick update on the Range Rover. We pretty much have both sides all complete. Right behind me, Ahmed and Rudy are currently working on the front bumper. All that we have left is pretty much the rear bumper, as well as the trunk, and then the little miscellaneous stuff, such as like the door handles and the mirrors. We also got the visor strip all complete, and we are getting the wheel back from wheel repair today. So we'll go ahead and put that back on. We're gonna finish up a few things. Hopefully we'll have the car done by tomorrow, get it all ceramic coated and get it all cleaned up and show you guys the finished product.
Hey guys, we're getting ready to finish the Range Rover. Ahmed's finishing up putting the emblems on it. We're gonna be coating it with our halo coating. This should help the wrap with the UV rays on it, should make it easier to maintain, make it super hydrophobic and a lot easier to wash the vehicle once it's done.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here in the 6-degree weather in Denver, Colorado. It is freezing out here, but let's go ahead and walk around this Range Rover that we wrapped. So we did this vehicle in the APA Satin Candy Red. We combined it with a two-tone look with the gloss black on the hood, the mirrors, the door handles, and then all the other trim around the vehicle. We also went ahead and powder coated the wheels in a gloss black, and then we also ceramic coated the wheels, the full wheel including the barrels and the face. And then we did top off the vehicle with our G-Technique Halo, which is a coating specific to vinyl. We do 2 layers of it here at Mile High Customs to give you that ultimate protection and make sure it adds that UV protection so it doesn't fade as easily. It makes it a lot easier to wash, clean, and maintain. And then yeah, that's really about it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.